Ever notice how you can sleep enough, drink coffee, and still feel mentally exhausted? In this video, you'll learn why focus and motivation quietly disappear during the day and how to rebuild them using simple, science-backed habits. This isn't about pushing harder or relying on willpower. It's about understanding how your brain spends energy and designing your day so focus returns naturally. Most people think they lack motivation, but the real issue is mental overload. Your brain constantly switching between tasks, notifications, and decisions. Each switch quietly drains energy even when you don't feel stressed. As that energy drops, motivation fades naturally. This isn't a personal flaw. It's a biological response to modern life. Attention is not unlimited. Every time you shift focus, your brain burns glucose and oxygen to reorient itself. Neuroscience calls this the switching cost. Across a full day, these tiny costs stack up, leaving your mind scattered and tired. The problem isn't distraction itself, it's how often your attention is forced to jump. Your brain treats decisions like withdrawals from an energy account. Small choices, what to wear, what to answer, what to check, slowly drain that account. As energy drops, the brain becomes conservative. It avoids effort, delays action, and chooses comfort over progress. What looks like laziness is often a protective energy-saving mode. Motivation isn't a constant drive. It's a signal. When your brain senses low energy, it shifts priorities towards safety and minimal effort. That's why forcing yourself rarely works for long. The brain isn't broken, it's conserving resources. To restore motivation, you don't push harder, you create small signals of progress. The brain performs poorly under vague pressure, but responds well to structure. Clear routines reduce the number of decisions your brain must make. That saved energy becomes available for focus and creativity. This is why structured days feel lighter, even when you do more. Structure isn't restriction, it's cognitive relief. Sitting and scrolling is not rest. Your nervous system stays alert, reacting to constant stimulation. Real rest lowers sensory input and slows breathing patterns. This allows the brain to recover and reset attention systems. Without true recovery, focus cannot be sustained, no matter how motivated you feel. Your brain uses attention like a filter. Only what passes through that filter gets processed deeply. When everything feels urgent, the filter breaks. Mental pressure rises, clarity drops, and fatigue sets in. Learning to control what enters your attention is one of the fastest ways to regain mental calm. The brain is wired to respond to visible progress. Small completed actions release dopamine, reinforcing focus and effort. Over time, these small wins compound into confidence and momentum. This is why consistency beats intensity. You don't need massive breakthroughs, you need reliable signals that you're moving forward. Long-term focus isn't built through bursts of discipline. It comes from combining structured effort, intentional rest, and a supportive environment. When your days are designed for recovery, your brain stops fighting you. Focus becomes stable, motivation becomes reliable, and progress feels natural instead of forced.
If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell and you'll always stay updated.